Welcome. Today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on Android 13. So this will work on other brands. I'm using right now Google Pixel 6 Pro, but this should be roughly the same for almost every other phone. So to get started, you'll want to pull down your notifications, or toggles more precisely. The reason I kind of clarify this right now is because some brands, like as an example Huawei, have their notifications and toggles separated, and you have to access toggles from the right side, and from the left side you have notifications, which is not very good. Anyway, once you pull down your toggles, it's quite limited, so let's pull it down even further, and this will show us more of them. And on one of the pages you should be able to locate the battery saver. Now there is certain instances where you just don't have a toggle for battery saver in the panel right here, but majority of the phones do have it. Now once you locate it, you can simply tap on it. As you can see, it gives us, at least in this case, a message that turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Now delays because it will turn off mobile network and Wi-Fi for when the device is in sleep mode, and I assume it will most likely reconnect to it once every so often, so you'll be getting more notifications at once, but rarer, so a little bit less frequently. Now another thing that it most likely did is turn off the 120 Hz refresh rate that is on this device, though not every device will have this, so that's something that might not happen for everybody, because older devices didn't have 120, they were running always 60, so it wouldn't change that. So anyway, that is how you turn on through the toggles right here. But if you don't have this, you can navigate into the settings, and in settings you'll find option called battery, and in here you'll find the section for battery saver. As you can see, for me it's right over here, and it functions the same way as the toggle right here, but this is strictly for people that don't have that toggle. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.